How to make a custom ringtone. First, open the Garage Ringtones app. Click the plus, and you can choose these for options. For example, I'm doing video library. Choose the song or sound you'd like to make it a ringtone. You can name the project if you want. If you want, you can adjust your project by cutting, or you can fade in or fade out. If you mess up, you can undo. Notice, if you don't have the GarageBand app, you need to download it. Once you set it as ringtone, click Set Ringtone. Click GarageBand. Once you're in the GarageBand app, you'll see your project. Click on your project. If the length changes back to normal, you can cut it again at how you'd like it. Again, if its length is back to normal, just cut it how you like it. Example, I'm doing a rap song.
I'm high, be careful.
She pressurelicious and I crave.
Once you're done, save your project. To make it as a ringtone, hold on your project. Then, click Share. Click Ringtone. Click Export. Once it is done, you can set it as ringtone or these other two options. When you choose how you want it as, for example, doing ringtone, we will set it as ringtone. Boom, you have it.
I'm high, be careful. She average, I'm pressure, yeah. I'm pressurelicious, yeah. I'm pressurelicious, yeah.
She pressurelicious and I crave.
You're welcome.